Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bells so you can stay up to date on all of the Happy Planner videos that I post up here, all about tips, tricks, haul videos, plan with me's, just all the things. So make sure you hit that button and let's get into the video. So this is going to be decorating my journal, which I do on my teacher layout extension pack. So an extension pack means that it comes in like that plastic film and it has Monday through Friday over here, which is for teachers. Makes sense. But I like to white out this side and then do Monday through Sunday up here so that I can have columns instead of rows. And I really like to use this as my journal because it's lined and I'm excited. So this is the official first week of November and it's super satisfying because it started on the 1st. And I am using Garden Flowers. I've only used this one other time, and that was when I used these fruits in a different journal. Yeah, right here. That was fun. But this week I am doing it pretty minimal. I'm using some of these harvest things that are good for, Thanksgiving, November kind of time. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use some washi up here. This is like a really burnt red / brown / maroon. So I'm going to put this one up at the top. It's been a lifesaver for fall. Love this shade. So there's that up at the top. And then I'm going to layer it with this kind of like reddish color. Okay. All right. That's both of those washies. And I don't have a whole lot to use, but I was thinking of using some of these other fall colors. So like this one's kind of a deep color, and then this one, really no rhyme or reason. Just put that over there. And this one, maybe another one too. I'll put I really like all these like vegetables and stuff, so I think I have something in mind what to use them for. Look at these peaches. Oh, so like detailed. This is a good dark color. Maybe I'll put here. Ooh, some chickens. Let's see. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then both of these. So time to harvest. Okay, and then last thing is I need like a brown box. I have a lot of like miscellaneous boxes in here. This is make your own sticker book thing that I put a lot of boxes in. Could use an orange one, but I would really like for it to be a lot darker. I could do this one, positive affirmations. Could write some things right here. Maybe this one I'll keep in mind. I just love boxes. Oh, this is a good one. Let me do this one. And I want to cover up this purple heart. All right, this one I'm going to put over here and cover up this to do. Guess I really don't have much brown. It's probably mostly gonna be oranges, but that's okay. It's a good orange. Put that up here. Oh, here's some brown. This is out of Farmhouse. Let's put Get It Done. Can put today's, well, let me put it maybe farther down. Today's Focus. These are some good browns. I really need to remember to use these even in my other spreads too. Yeah, I have a lot in here. Here's a red. Could maybe use. All right, I think this is gonna be it. That's enough stickers. All right, I'm gonna peel this up and this on Monday. And I really don't want this black, so I'll just cover it up right here. Okay. All right. So it's just that simple. I used a lot of boxes and a lot of these harvesty pictures. And that's it. Okay. I really can't think of anything else that I would add on here. So that's going to be it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I had a question on my most recent post, is what I do in my monthly part of my journal. And that is where I do my icon month. So like what's it called? Like, it's like kind of like memory planning, where I put one fun thing per day that happened, and it's how I use up a lot of extra stickers that I may otherwise never be able to use. So that's always super fun. And so this is what it is looking like for November before I start. And it's only been like one day, so I haven't put it down for Monday. But I think it's always so much fun to do that in the monthly. And then December I haven't done yet, but it really, you know, it's like 6 stickers whenever I decorate it beforehand. So I never make a video about it, but I wanted to put that in this video to make sure you guys knew where that was. So anyways, that's going to be it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.